7 cheap style hacks to look expensive. Price tag versus presentation. Looking high-end isn't about spending thousands on designer logos. In fact, heavy logos often look cheap. Today, we're covering 7 low-cost adjustments that instantly elevate your appearance. Hack 1 and 2. The $15 Tailor Fix and Fabric Shaver. First, tailored hems and sleeve adjustments. $50 pair of trousers tailored to your exact leg length will always look better than a $300 pair off the rack. Second, use a $10 fabric shaver to remove pilling from knits. Hack 3 and 4. Steaming and matte hardware. Ditch the iron for a garment steamer to preserve fabric texture. Also, hack 5 and 6. Monochromatic palettes and shoe trees. Dressing in shades of a single color, like all black, all navy, or off-white, looks naturally elevated. Protect your leather shoes with cedar shoe trees to prevent creasing. Hack 7. Grooming and posture. The best outfit fails without proper grooming and confidence. Clean nails, neat facial hair, and good posture cost nothing but change everything. Great presentation is always in the details, not the price tag.